How to remove suggested pages in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or three lines at the top right corner, and then navigate to your pages section. And on this page right here, you will be able to find all of the suggested pages on Facebook. Now, as you can see, I have nothing on this page as I have already deleted all of them. Now, for some of you, they will have the pages. So all what you need to do is you need to click on the three lines next to each page, and you will get the option to delete it. And you can do it for all of the pages. And for the rest of you who does not have the pages just like I do, this means that you have either turned off your Facebook suggesting settings, or you have removed the pages, so you have nothing to do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the suggested pages on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.